Bilimbi fruit are extremely sour, yellow-green fruit with a thin, soft skin and crunchy, juicy flesh. The oblong-shaped fruit have 5 discernible ribs. A cross-section of the fruit reveals a 5-point star within, accentuating pentagonal shape of the fruit. The fruit resembles smooth-skinned gherkins. What is Balimbi fruit good for? Besides its refreshing aroma and zesty taste, the Balimbi fruit confers umpteen benefits for human health, such as managing diabetes, treating hypertension, remedying haemorrhoids, strengthening bones, and soothing cough and cold. How do you use Balimbi fruit? Control diabetes mellitus. Bilimbi fruit is known to reduce blood sugar levels. First, by making it in a juice form, and drink it second by preparing the decoction and use it twice a day. Reduce fever and flu. The high vitamin C in this fruit helps strengthen the immune system, helping to fight against the fever. Can you eat Balimbi raw? Balimbi fruit can be eaten raw, cooked, or pickled. Balimbi fruit is often considered a medicinal fruit and used to treat various ailments such as cough and rheumatism. Is Balimbi good for sore throat? Balimbi fruit is also used as traditional medicine for sore throat, ulcers, bleeding gums, tooth cavity, and so on. Is Balimbi good for pregnant? Balimbi during pregnancy. It is sour in taste and has an abundance of vitamin C, therefore pregnant ladies can consume this fruit during pregnancy, but not an excessive amount. Its overconsumption can lead to harmful side effects, thus consult the doctor before adding this to your diet.